How to fix IDM not working on Chrome. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if your internet download manager is not properly working on your Google Chrome. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is check if you have the IDM extension downloaded on your Chrome or not. For that, you just have to visit the Chrome web store and search for IDM extension. Then go ahead and click on enter. Now once you find the official IDM's extension, now you just have to make sure that this is added to your Chrome and make sure to add extension. And once you do that, the second thing that you want to check is the software update on your Chrome, because oftentimes uh, outdated software might be causing the problem. So first you'll have to check your Google Chrome's software. Go ahead and tap on the three dots on the top right corner, then tap on help, and then from here you can click on about Google Chrome and check if there are any updates available. So if it says the Chrome is up to date, then you might want to check your IDM software's update. For that, you can visit the official website for IDM and then check if what the latest update is. So you just want to check the latest version and compare it with your current version. Now once you have done that, the other thing that you can do is check your other extensions. So head over to your extensions right here, and then what you want to do is make sure that your extension is enabled. Go ahead and make sure that your download manager extension is enabled, and if this is not, then you might want to check the other extensions and turn all of them off, because sometimes these existing extensions might be causing the conflict. So just try to turn all of them off except your manager extension, and if it works, then try turning all of them back one by one to check which one is causing the problem, and then you can get rid of that. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.